Good morning, fish tubers. Here we are in the first of hopefully a long series of fishing videos. Me going out on the kayak, hitting different spots here in the Tampa Bay area. So today we're gonna head out to Fred Howard. Got the kayak, got the shark rods packed up, got some smaller rods as well, but we're gonna head out to the bait shop, grab some bait. So stick around and hopefully catch some fish with me. All right. Hey, welcome back. So we've made it out here to the live bait and tackle shop, Armed Anglers. As you can see, we are here. So we're gonna drop in, get some bait, get some hopefully some big shrimp, hand picks, some selects to get out there and get it done. So stick around and we'll get this on the road. Thanks. Bye. So I was doing a little thinking, and I figured you guys can help me out on this. So I've come up with a little fishing challenge for myself and you guys, and trying to get my YouTube channel to grow and get some more subscribers. So tell you what, here's the deal. I catch 5 fish, you have to like my videos, okay? So do that. We're gonna get out here, get it done. So stick around. Thanks. Hey, so we're out here at our first spot. We're at a little channel here. It's about, goes from about 1 foot to about 5 foot. We're gonna try this spot out before we get to our little shark spot out there. So we're gonna try to drown some little shrimp out here, see what we get. Just like that. Always like to try to hook them in the back of the tail, which still gives them the freedom to kick around. So I've always had good luck with that. There's so many different ways you can hook a shrimp. This is my favorite. I'm like marking so many fish here. Big ones too. Not even getting a bite. What the hell? What the? Actually, I think they're all damn pinfish. That don't help any. It's like cloudy, overcast. Water's about 78.5 degrees. Wind's blowing about 7-8 miles per hour. And this is the calm side. There's actually another side to the causeway there. And the water looks a lot more rougher. There we go, fish on. Oh, maybe shark bait. Oh, little grunt. Oh, he's a little heifer. Wow. Could be a. There we go. Look, little porgy. Look at that. There we go. First fish. Got that skunk off. Little porgy. Oh. All right, little buddy, thank you. There we go, we got a little bite. We got something playing with the shrimp. There we go, fish on. Whoa, small. but feisty. There you go. Dang, all these little porgies. What the hell? We got another one. Fish number 2. There you go, look at that. Dude. Whoa, some good hooks. Damn. God, he got like his bottom lip. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Go grow up. Ain't even got a cast bar. There we go. So I'm playing with it right now. Oh. There we go. Got him. Dang, he's about turning my boat. Nice. Little mangrove snapper. That. Look at that. Mangrove snapper. Small one. Little tiny one. Give up a good fight though. These things are hard fighters. Thank you, buddy. Oh. Nice. By the way, that was fish number 3. 2 more. You have to like the video. Right on. There you go. Number 4. In the water. That's how long it takes. Oh, getting a bite. Getting a bite. Oh. Make sure he gets it in his mouth. There we go. He's still playing with it, but he's not taking it in yet. Oh, oh, there he is. Nice. It's all about patience. There we go. Look at that. Another little mangrove. Mangrove snapper. Legal size down here is about 10 inches. And I'll tell you what, they're one of the best eating fish out here. Not to mention they're fun to catch. Wow. Oh. Thank you, buddy. All right, I'm ready for some big fish. By the way, that was number 4. Just in case you weren't counting. So we're gonna pull anchor, probably get out here to the beach, try to net up some more bait and get out to a regular spot. Whoa! I'd say we got a little bit of grass. So we're gonna come up here on the beach, throw the net, try to get some live bait here, some pinfish, be able to take out to a spot. So stay tuned. So we're gonna start heading out to our shark spot. We just got off the beach, got a bunch of small pinfish, chubs, got a couple of greenbacks, got a blue crab in her bait bucket, so we're gonna try that out. But it's gonna be a little bit fighting this tide, going straight against it, but we're gonna get out there and see if we can't try to hook up into a shark. All right. Well, we got out here to our spot, and not even gonna waste time. I'm gonna get this shark right out there and see if we can't hook into a shark. So stay tuned. Bye. Alright, so what I've got here, I've got one of the finger mullets that we had netted up on the beach. So we got that on a 9/0 hook underneath a big bobber here. Got it on my pin, and we're gonna chunk this big bait out and see what we get. All right, so I got a big shrimp out there. I got it on my smaller rod. Oop, I just got a nice hit just now. Yeah, that didn't take long. That only soaks for about 2 seconds before I got a bite on it. A buddy of mine over there, he's already got his line cut, so the Spanish mackerels are out. So that's a good sign. Actually, very well might have hit my anchor line. You can see I got me a little shrimp on there. Actually about medium size. I'm gonna chunk this out there and see what we can get. This wind is bad, the waves are bad. Not one of the most favorable conditions. A little hit. Oh, I feel it pulling. There it is, there it is. It's a little pull. Come on, baby, take it, take it, take it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Actually, he may very well have my bait and swimming up tide. Oh yeah, he is on there. That's what he was doing. He was actually swimming up. Whoa! 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 Fish on! It's got a little pull. I hope it's not a catfish. He's got some size to him. He's not coming up. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. I quit. Yeah, I'm done. Done slimed up my line. Freaking catfish. Nasty freaking fish. Gonna swallow my hook too. I just heard my shark rod go off a little bit. This stupid thing to swallow my hook. I'd be alright. Everyone killed every one of these things. Oh! Shit! Oh! Something's playing with my shark rod already. Anyways, yeah, on top of being the nastiest fish out here, he goes and hooks me. But I call it a good deal because it unhooked itself. So let's do this again. Let's get another one. As I mentioned earlier, we're gonna hook it right through the tail. Usually have the best luck with that. Shark rod needs to go off. Let's get it out here. Hopefully catch something other than a catfish. And oh, by the way, if you're keeping count, we won't count that. I don't even consider that a fish. Oh, we got a good bite here. Got a nice pull. There he is. Oh, spit it. Uh-oh. I think we're so far out here, Coast Guard don't want us out here. Here it comes. Coast Guard. On it. Yeah, I think hard bait. Just got stolen. What is it, trout? Very nice. I didn't even see you catch it. Good job. Whoa! There. Got me a greenback. We got that off the beach. I'm surprised it stayed alive. This don't give me something good. I don't know what will. So with this one, I'll just hook it up right up on its front lip here. Go right through the nose. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, I just squeezed his eyeball. But you get right underneath that nose. It's got a hard skeleton right above his nose. But this will allow him to be able to still swim around. Let's try this side. Ah. So made the head off it. Hey, he's still wiggled. Oh, he's still wiggling. Still good. Probably should rehook it though. One of the best baits I have. Something ate it. Ate the head off it. Because he didn't like his face. Nice pull. I think he just ripped the bait off it. Nope. Something still playing with it. A bunch of small stuff though. Fortunately. There he is. Got him that time. Ooh! Ooh! It's running. It's running. Got one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What we got? What we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I quit. I quit. About to move to that other spot. I didn't get me another damn catfish. Yeah. Can't believe that crap. Oh man. Stop. Yeah. Stop it. Oh, these things piss me off. Damn it. Come on. What'd you get? That did the trick. I'd have got me another shrimp out there. Big shrimp. Hopefully we'll get something other than a catfish. That shit gets old really quick. Little bastards. Hate them. Hate them with a passion. If you've never gotten stuck by them, by their barbs, consider yourself lucky. Because it's the worst pain you'll ever feel. Kind of like a stingray. And if you've never stepped on a stingray, just take my advice. Don't get pricked by catfish and don't step on a stingray. Alright. Did you guys hear that? It's like something's playing with a shark rod. Is that a puffer? One of the second worst fish to catch out here, puffer. Harder fish on this side. That's what I'm trying to figure out too. Now that's a big. Unless it's a big catfish, it's not really pulling drag. Could very well be it too. All right, how are we gonna do this? All right, here we go. Make sure my drag's set. Actually, he's gonna swim on this side. Nope. Yeah, that's what's playing with it. Oh my gosh. This is a damn catfish. It's like not even fighting. Oh my gosh. Ate a big ass mullet too. About to move. Yeah, this box sucks. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Got something on the pinfish. And if it's a catfish, I'm moving. We ain't doing this all day. Wow. Got a little pull to him. See it? There we go. Oh my God, I'm done. Absolutely done. Yeah, I'm done with this spot. Yep. It's like 4 in a row. GoPro, stop recording. Swear if I catch another catfish. Oh. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's not a catfish. Nice. A little trout. Finally, something other than a catfish. So when handling these things, you always want to wet your hands because of the slime on their bodies. You don't really want to take their slime off because that's the only thing that protects them. Try to handle him as little as possible. go, buddy. Oh, got a little fold of skin there. Oh, trout. 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 Thanks, buddy. All right. Finally got the catfish slime off me. Let's see if we can catch one more. So we're getting a little bite here. Just playing with it. There we go. He's on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh! Jumped out of the water. Whoa! I got my shrimp too. Oh, there. A little catfish following that too. Damn catfish. Don't lose my shrimp. I could use that again. Don't lose it. Stop it. Alright. Got my shrimp. Got the trout in the boat. Come on, buddy. What are you doing in there? Stop. Stop. No. Stop it. Stop. Trout. Trout. Go, be free. Look at that. Use the same shrimp. See if I can't get 2 trouts with the same shrimp. Just rehook it though. All right. Let's do that again. Oh, by the way, being as I've caught a few fish already, you've got to like my video. That's my challenge. I catch 5 fish. If you like my video, I think it's got it. There it is. There it is. No. Look at that. Well, damn it. You're no trout. You're a new species. You are a new species. Puffer. Wake up, wake up. Blow up. Blow, blow, blow. Yeah. Here. Yeah, that. Where? He's talking to me. Wait. Alright. Good job. You slimy little fucker. Ew. Okay. There he goes. Bye, buddy. Oh, I think we got a shark on. I think I got a fish on, shark. Alright. It may be a big duck. There's a duck out here that's been playing around with my line. And that it's a big catfish. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these waves. I'm only doing this so just in case it does run, you'll be able to hear. Normally I wouldn't ever be reeling with a clicker on. It's annoying as hell. Actually, I don't think it's any. Oh, there is something on there. Man, if this is another catfish on a shark well, could be a duck. Oh my gosh. I give up. big old cat though. Wow. Look at this big old ugly thing. Whoa! That thing's a monster. Yeah, thanks for slamming up my life. Holy crap. Hey, welcome back. Oh. Just in time, dude. There it is. There he is. There it is. Oh, nice. What do you got? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not been a good day of fishing. There's been an abundance of these trashy damn catfish. Oh my gosh. I didn't row all the way out here only to catch trash. I'm disappointed. I hope you guys feel my pain, because this is sad. I'm gonna cry. You can't see me crying right now because I'm behind my sunglasses, but I'm crying right now. I'm tired of these cats. Anyways, pulled anchor. We're gonna head back closer to the shoreline. We're gonna get on the other side of this island over here. Started getting a little rough. Being out here on the kayak. Started getting about 2 feet of waves. Started seeing white caps. So yeah, I caught this off camera, but I wanted to share this with you guys. But we moved spot. We're closer inshore. But sitting in about 7 feet of water here, surprisingly, way but 200 yards from the shore. But little, whoop, whoop. Well, I was gonna show you the squirrel fish, but he had other plans. Bye, buddy. Hey, so I'm out here just messing around, catching a bunch of those small fish. It's a lot of little tiny sea bass, pinfish, squirrel fish. So I figured I'd take you along for the ride. So I lost my pole. There we go. So at the moment, just fishing the bottom. Seems to be where they're hiding out. I'm about 5 feet of water. Temperature is about 79 degrees. It's windy. And yeah, just out here having a little bit of fun. Get this shrimp on here. Let's get this out here and see what we get. Get out there and catch me something good. Awesome. Me and that shrimp, we have an understanding. He's gonna get eaten. Now I'm gonna catch me a fish. Oh. Maybe I need a smaller hook. Hey! Got some seaweed. Oh, there we go. Something good. Wow. Wow, a little bit bigger mangrove. Look at that. Biggest one we caught today. He hit that thing like a brick. All right, bud. Hold on. That's what I was saying. These things, for their size, they hit. Ah, you kidding me? You just shit all over my hand. Nasty. Like freaking regurgitated spam. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Woo. Nice little trout. My other rod's biting. Nice little trout. Now I got something biting on my other line. redfish. Still got his shrimp in his mouth. Look at yummy. I'm gonna let you keep that, buddy. You go home and eat that. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you, buddy. Very nice. Yes. Hey, got me a redfish. Got me a couple of trouts and reds. They seem to be on the spot now, finally. It's like one after the other. Oh shit, there's something on here. Come on. Whoa. What we got? What we got? What we got? You freaking kidding me? You piece of crap. That's not such a good roll. Then you had to show your ugly ass up. Ah, you let go of it. Oh, got me half a shrimp now. Missed the head. Cast it up. This weight runner. Dude, don't run over. All right, let's get another red. Fired up now. Fired up. Fired up. Gonna give me another red. No, all I need is a snook. I'll have my trout, a red, a snook. I'll have me an inshore slam. Actually, I only like one fish from a trash can slam. I've now got a catfish, puffer. All I'm missing is either stingray, ladyfish, toadfish. There we go. That was a half a shrimp. I got me a little trout. Yeah. Nice little trout. Look at that. Bit of your gills. There you go, nice release. Oh, that's a good one. Wow, that had just hit the water too. That might be a redfish. Big trout. Yeah, big trout. Nice. What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright. Hold right there, buddy. I get you off, you quit wiggling. Quit wiggling. Stop it. Stop. Good boy. Poor girl. Boy, girl. There we go. See? See there? Dude, he's got like little mites on him. Hey, you know what? Since I'm sitting out here, thought I'd remind you to help me out. If you could share, like, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, it'd be much appreciated if you could go in there, subscribe, like my video. That way, nothing. You have no idea what else I'm fucking saying. I don't even know what I'm saying this, because you guys probably can't hear me because of all this damn wind out here. It's been like this all day. So, yeah. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Please subscribe, like my videos, share it with your sister, share it with your brothers, share it with your mommies and daddies. Just share the damn video. It's not asking for much. Let's catch another fish. There we go. Catching a lot of these today. Been catching a lot of these porgies today for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, that was perfect. I was recording the cast, the bait and everything. Got the big knock on the line. Wasn't even expecting that. Ended up getting a redfish.